DuraPost welcomes you to this instructional video on how to install a hit and miss style fence with our DuraPost Classic Post. Using DuraPost with wooden fence boards is a fast and easy way to build a strong hit and miss style fence. This video is designed as a guideline and may not be suitable for all types of installation. Remember to use PPE and ensure safe operation when using power tools. The following tools are required. A number of different rails can be used, such as Arris, Cant, 4x2, 3x2 or 38 by 88 mm motorway rails. Select your desired rail. In this example we are building fence bays at 1.8 meters in height. Always consider the ground conditions and outlook before erecting your fence. Variations of this fence can be used, such as using 4 rails, or placing the top rail at the top of the post to suit a wooden capping rail. Position the bottom rail in between the DuraPosts and secure using either DuraPost colour match screws, or if covering the whole side, use a countersink screw. Repeat this process with the middle and top cross rails. Place the first fence board next to the DuraPost as shown. Secure with nails or screws into the top, middle and bottom rails. In certain instances, such as when using a galvanized post, you can board directly over the post, working left to right. In order to achieve even spacing, use a wooden block as a spacer between each board. Secure the board to the top rail using only one nail. Place the block against the bottom rail to ensure even spacing along the length of the gap. Nail the board into the bottom rail. Secure the second nail in the top rail. Then nail into the middle rail to secure. Repeat this process for the remaining boards across the length of the cross rails. Complete each fence bay in the same way. You can also double board the fence in the same way, boarding over the post on the whole side. Then simply use the same hit and miss process along both sides of the fence on each bay.